Imagine this Republic Day morning. The Kartavya path is throbbing with pride, pageantry, and an invincible strength. And there it is, a name that reverberates louder than applause, Pralay. India's first tactical ballistic missile for conventional strikes. It's fast, it's accurate, and it's redrawing the dictionary definition of modern warfare. But what makes Pralay so special? Let's dig into the story behind this wonder. Pralay isn't just a missile. It's a bold vision realized. Back in 2015, the DRDO envisioned a game-changer, a surface-to-surface missile that wouldn't just meet the battlefield's needs but would redefine them. Fast forward to today, and we have a weapon that strikes with unmatched precision and power. Think of a target up to 500 kilometers away, a radar station, an airstrip, a critical infrastructure point. With a circular error probable of less than 10 meters, Pralay can strike with pinpoint accuracy. That's like hitting the bullseye on a dartboard from hundreds of kilometers away. But here's where Pralay truly stands apart. It's not just ballistic. It's quasi-ballistic. What does that mean? It means Pralay can outthink enemy defenses. With mid-flight maneuverability, it weaves through interception attempts like a chess master predicting every move on the board. And what powers this brilliance? A solid fuel rocket motor that can carry 1,000 kilograms of high-impact payloads in the form of high-explosive fragmentation or runway denial munitions. Pralay brings versatility and power to every mission. This Republic Day, Pralay doesn't just roll onto the Kartavya path, it's center stage. Riding atop a 12 times 12 high-mobility launcher, ready to deploy in a moment, wherever duty calls. But more than just a show of might, Pralay is a statement, a declaration of India's technological self-reliance and its unstoppable march toward Atmanirbhar Bharat. In the global arena, Pralay stands tall. Comparable to Russia's Iskander, China's Dongfeng 12, and even America's precision strike missile. But here's the key difference: Pralay is 100% Indian. Designed, developed, and tested on our soil, it's a symbol of India's ingenuity and determination. And when it comes to protecting the nation, Pralay plays a very important role. Deployed along the line of control and the line of actual control, it's a constant guardian. A silent but powerful message to any adversary: India is prepared, resilient, and always a step ahead. This is not just defense. It is deterrence. A reminder that peace does not come from words but from strength, and Pralay represents that strength. As Pralay takes its rightful place on Kartavya path, it represents more than military capability. It's a testament to India's grit, innovation, and unyielding resolve. A symbol of a nation that doesn't just protect its borders, it leads the way forward. Pralay isn't just a missile. It's a story of determination, perseverance, and unparalleled progress. And this Republic Day, it's a story worth celebrating. This isn't just about defense. This is India making history. Join us in celebrating the power of innovation, the spirit of self-reliance, and the pride of a nation. This is signing off. Goodbye for today.